But in order to get the sense, let's stick as close as we can to a solid rock beat. And then the tuba and the trombone section is going to get the bass line. And let's get a feel for what that is. The tuba and baritone sax are going to play. Are going to play on the downbeat, and it doesn't get any simpler. It's B flat, concert B flat. But it's going to be your middle B flat. And I'll play the trombone. So let's start that, and I'll play the just me. Will play the trombone part that goes with it. It's so cool. It's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trombonist, this is one of those times I'll remind you that in order for the note to start sounding when you want it to, you have to do other stuff beforehand. You really want to anticipate this, otherwise it will lag behind and we won't keep it funky. So if anything, risk playing it too fast and then pull it back. But we want to bump, 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 bump. That sounded pretty groovy. The rock beat sounded groovy. So let's get that going, and then I'm going to show the basic A head part. The very first time people hear this, if they know the song at all, they'll know this song. But let's get that groove going, and then I'll play that A part. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like a caw, and we play it 4 times. But then when we go into the actual verse of the song, which is through it's a synthesized voice box going, trying to, I can't remember the lyrics, but you're trying to make it a funky, and then it's a response to what Nat just sang. So da 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 da. So you'll play it half as often during the chorus. It's like or during the verse, it's a response, and I will signal when we're going to play that. Got it? You with me so far? There's one other part to this A part, which is a modulation down a fourth. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Try it. I want everyone to learn this A part, and I'm sorry I was pointing specifically to the trumpet side. Clarification. I eventually imagined different sections, Sean and I've talked about this, playing different parts. the saxophones, all the reeds would be great to hear play the next part that we won't learn today, but then I'm going to play against it, which is that actual melody. But I think today we just want to learn that da 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 and the da 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 da. It does that modulation only once, and then it goes back up to the da 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 da.
Can you try that in context since we didn't play that?
We should do that. And the bass. I wonder if we want to teach the other part of the descending bass line before we try it through once or not.
Why don't we just try what we just played?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's try it from the top. Maybe start with the drums. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Trombone part because everything else is for fun. You want to do that, Mark?
Yeah.
It's very quick. It's good. Just do it right now.
So it goes up,
where we stop now, we're going to keep going, and when we keep going, you just keep repeating like you did at the beginning. Ba ba da 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 ba da 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 da. Boom 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 boom. We'll get that far at the end. I'll try and single that, and maybe that'll be a good start for today. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's actually the first half of the song, but I don't want to take up too much. We try to, so the set, so we're going to learn the second part, which is so easy. It's the hardest part is the note. The main note is, and it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add in some harmonies if you want. Except for the very last beat. So, here's how it's going to go. We're going to start just where we left off, where the professor was giving us that wonderful breaky down thing, and then we're going to bring in the bass line. And then I'm going to count in the and whoever wants to try the Funkytown melody with me is welcome to try that. So breakdown, percussion, we'll slice this in later. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we try the very last part? Concert E flat, 3, 4. Back to the hand. That's the last part. That's the last part. Awesome. Should we try one whole one through that part? Yeah. So let's that's going to be 5, I think. Anyway, that's the hand. And it comes up awful sudden. We're going to practice that right now with the 2 drums. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to that bam, and that isn't 1, so I don't know what we call that. Bam, boom, boom, boom. So it'll go back. You know what I mean?
You can just point to this.
Point to the rhythm section. Yeah, but when I point to that, the trombones are still the part of the rhythm section for that part. Boom, boom. Let's do that whole song. Let's do that whole song. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. Great start. Good job, everyone. Correct. You lay out. It's just a, it's another form of a breakdown.